Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Chris at Auto Connection, 231 Marcus Drive, Junction City, Kentucky, 859-854-0505. I've got a Toyota Highlander, very nice vehicle, the 2015 model with 55,000 miles on it. Do a quick walk around. Everything works as it should. It has an automatic lift gate. Plenty of room. It has the third row seating as well. That's just laid down. Very nice vehicle. Jump inside right quick, show you some features. It has the sunroof, leather seating, controls on the steering wheel for the radio, menu on the dashboard. Radio works as it should. Heated seating. Very nice vehicle. Call us today to schedule a test drive, 859-854-0505. Once again, this is Chris at Auto Connection, bringing you a 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive vehicle with 55,000 miles on it. 859-854-0505. Or stop by and see us at 231 Marcus Drive, Junction City, Kentucky. Have a good day.